Hey, here we have a Morphy Richards Breadmaker, a 48319. Suspected belt gone, could be a gear, we'll see. Now online you can't find anywhere see how this is taken apart properly. There's some people that have cut out this base here, which you know work, you get to the belt, but it's a bit of a messy job, isn't it? So I don't fancy doing that. And there's no screws under the feet. There's no screws, I checked. They want to make it as difficult as possible, don't they? So we've got to go through the top. I've already, I forgot to record this bit where I took the screws out the top. You just pull the lid off, get it in the right position, pull it off like that. Take the tin out. And basically you just got a load of different size screws all the way around. Take a photo as you're taking them out in little batches like this 3. And then this 3 here, smaller ones, put them separately. It shouldn't be a problem then, putting them back. Then just move these outer screws. Then the lid, then pull this lip from this side. And be careful, there's a ribbon underneath here, so don't pull it right off. There's a clip on the other side. And then if you reach down here, you've got a little ribbon cable that just plugs in. Just squeeze that in and pull it out. Oh, yeah. And then we've got screws down here. If we go deep inside at the bottom there, we need to unscrew all these. So we need to take the rest of this plastic lip off the top. This will take the side panel off. So let's take this bit off here, unscrew these. Yeah, so basically I've just discovered that supermarket bread's not real bread, and there's such thing as real bread and synthetic bread. What's that all about? I've been eating synthetic bread for ages, so I decided to get this out and start making my own bread, sourdough in particular. That's what I want to make. Olive sourdough. Yeah, get it out. First time in 20 years. Halfway through a cycle, and crunching, grinding. Oh, great. So let's just hope it is the belt. I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah. So anyway, Morphy Richards really don't want you to get into this thing and change the belt yourself. Seeing that gap there? That's the motor mechanism for the seed and fruit dropper. So that is tightly squeezed into there. It's a tight fit, and you've got to really prise that open. Just be careful with this bit. Make a mistake here. I started trying to pull up that little probe that pushes the feeder, the fruit dropper, and I was thinking if I lift it, it might free it. No, it don't. It's pointless, stupid mistake that was, but I haven't damaged it. It's okay. Just a little bit scruffy now, a bit messy. So now we need to get down to this thin gap. It's a long way down, so you need something thin, long. So I devised this Franken driver, should we call it? This extension. So that'll get down there. So you want to take off. You don't want to remove the drum here, the actual tin. You want to just remove the outer screws for the base. This isn't magnetic, this end, so that's annoying. So it won't lift the screws out, but pick them out after. So you just undo all these. Ideally it would have been better to remove all them wires off the circuit board there, all them connectors, before trying to lift this out, but it's okay. So now what's left is a little an earth cable that's bolted to the chassis, but you have to take the top off here to get to it, to get to the bottom of the nut, and then just take that wire off. So now we've got the side panel free. We can get to these bottom screws here easy enough, and this will release the base so we can actually look at that belt situation. So let's take these wires off first here, take these clips out. Okay, now we've got all this detached, the top rim removed. We can just concentrate on getting that base off now. Ah, come on, all out, aren't they? Ah, look, hidden right in the centre there, that little screw there, look. Get the Franken driver out again. Okay, we're free. We've got the base off at last. Let's check this belt. I can see bits flying off. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. No wonder. Gosh, that is in a bad state, that, isn't it? Well, at least we know what it is. Just order a new one. I might oil the bearings in there while I'm here. But yeah, at least we know it's the belt. I think there's going to be a part 2 where I put it back together, show my super sourdough loaf. Yeah, we're on track for making real bread. Come on.